So what we're looking at here are the columns that is being built. Which was started about a year ago. So these are part of the column that is going to support the new bridge that is going to replace the PATULLO bridge. So you can see farther down the horizon that's the red colored metal truss bridge is the PATULLO bridge, which was opened in 1937, almost the same year as the opening of the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco, California. So this is slated to be replaced once the new bridge is constructed. So these are all the cranes that is being used to construct this new bridge. So this is column of the new bridge that is being constructed, and this is the existing part of the PATULLO bridge that is crossing the Fraser River, connecting the city of Surrey to the city of New Westminster here in British Columbia, Canada.